that helps to reduce the risk of post-Whipple hemorrhage. We will also cover the types of post-Whipple hemorrhage and steps. So friend, pancreatic surgery or for that matter Whipple surgery is post-pancreatic. Post-Whipple hemorrhage are basically two types, early and late. Second type of hemorrhage post-Whipple will be delayed post-operative hemorrhage. What should be the length? We will discuss everything in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Points or pearls of the wisdom and anatomical insight into the falciform will be helpful. And if you're watching this video on our YouTube channel or on our